Hey everyone, welcome back to Native GIS, the channel where I break down the world of geographic information systems in fun and simple ways. Today we're tackling a foundational question. What exactly are shapefiles? Stick around, this is going to be good. Let's start with the basics. A shapefile is one of the most common file formats in GIS, created by ESRI in the 1990s. It's a vector file format, which means it represents geographic features using points, lines, and polygons. Think of it as the digital version of drawing shapes on a map. But here's something surprising. A shapefile isn't just one file, it's actually a group of files that work together to create and store spatial data. The core components include the .app file. This is the heart of the shapefile. It stores the shapes like the geometry of points, lines, or polygons. The .chx file. Here's is an index file that helps your computer find those shapes faster. And the ddbf file. And here's where the magic happens. This file holds the attributes. Think names, population data, or land use categories, all tied to your map features. These three files are the bare minimum, but you might also see extras like .rj files for coordinate systems or XML files for metadata. So how do we use shapefiles? Let's say you're mapping bus stops in a city. That's a point shapefile. Planning a hiking trail network. That's a line shapefile. And if you're zoning neighborhoods or tracking land parcels, you're working with polygon shapefiles. The best part? Shapefiles are flexible. You can layer them to create detailed maps and analyze relationships between features, like how close bus stops are to schools or parks. Shapefiles are like the Swiss Army knife of GIS. They're simple, widely supported, and easy to share. Almost every GIS software out there can read them, making them a go-to choice for data exchange. But they're not perfect. Shapefiles have limits like a 2 GB file size cap and no support for advanced GIS features like topology or 3D data. And don't forget, they don't compress well, so big data sets can get messy. Despite their limitations, shapefiles have stood the test of time as a GIS staple. They're a great starting point for anyone learning GIS and remain a key tool for professionals worldwide. So there you have it. Shapefiles, simple, powerful, and essential for mapping. If this video gave you a clearer picture, hit the like button, subscribe to Native GIS, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite GIS file format. Until next time, stay curious and keep mapping. See you in the next one.